tape them, watch them again, for the next snowstorm.
All right, so our supervisor is coming the first or second week? Or
No,
for sure
the
coming-
supervisor is only coming the second week. They will not come at all the first week. But during that first week, you need to find out when do they want to come the second week? When is your block of teaching going to be that second week? What works for you? You might need to talk to your professors if you're taking something, you know, when are my finals going to be, or what are we going to have for a final, so that you know what days you can go. But get that figured out. So yeah, one of the things you'll email them back and forth, make sure the teacher agrees, the university supervisor agrees, you know when the dates are, attach those emails to this letter. And then that gets turned into the placement office. So, but we'll post it too, so that if you lose your piece of paper, you'll know where to go get another one. So, okay, other questions? We're good to go? Okay, those of you who didn't get a placement, go ahead and head on down. We will see you next week, but not Monday.